The Learnitive.com Learn Plus Interactive is an advanced e-learning platform that not only gives you the opportunity to watch lessons with video, but also allows you to execute codes and commands inside your browser. The Learnitive courses are interactive. Each course must be equipped with hands-on coding environments where lesson will include a combination of text, code, visuals, quizzes, and/or other interactive elements. To write a lesson, you will use Learnitive's lesson editor widgets, allowing the user to interact with your lesson. Your lessons might introduce a topic, demonstrate an executable code/command, or prompt the user to complete a challenge or watch a relevant video. The widgets available on the Learnitive platform fall into the following categories: text, coding, illustration, terminal, and videos. You use these widgets to create your course, and once it's ready, has passed a simple review round, the course will become live on the platform. You don't need a complete degree to become an instructor. Instead, all you need is a computer or a smartphone as you share your knowledge and skills with people across the globe. The fact of the matter is, most upskill websites are very similar in terms of technology. They host videos, let you ask questions, and sometimes give you a certificate of completion after finishing a course. What makes each platform different is how they operate. At Learnitive, we are open to communication with the instructors, provide instructor supports, and finally a prompt monthly payout. If you'd be interested in growing your revenue streams, consider hosting your courses on Learnitive.com.